Hi guys, today we are looking at a Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal. Um, in addition to these two other cameras, the wide camera and the tele camera, it has a thermal camera. So let's take a look at the specs for this camera. Our thermal camera has a 640 by 512 resolution at 30 hertz. 30 hertz meaning this is a frame rate, so it's 30 frames per second. It also has a DFOV of 61 degrees. DFOV, it's a diagonal field of view, so of 61 degrees is very good indeed. There's a focal length of 40 millimeters, which is also very good because you'll be able to see far away objects. The Mavic 3, like the Mavic 2, also has a split screen where you can see the, the infrared screen and normal video or picture. It has a zoom of up to 28 times, which is very, very good compared to the Mavic 2, which only had 16 times. So this is a very good synchronized zoom for Mavic 3. When you compare it to Mavic 3 Enterprise, the minimum photo interval is 2 seconds, whereas in the Mavic 3 Enterprise it's 0.7 seconds. So the photo interval for Mavic 3 Thermal is a bit slower than that of Mavic 3E, but 2 seconds is still good. And then it does not have a mechanical shutter, it only has the electronic shutter. It also has the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it can be able to avoid obstacles from all directions. You can also be able to detect, so you detect and avoid. It also has an advanced RTH, the return to home. So instead of it climbing up to the preset altitude first, no, it will just, from wherever it is, it will just go straight home if you press the RTH. But it doesn't just work automatically. You have to set the advanced RTH, enable it. It has some similarities with the Mavic 3 Enterprise. It also flies 45 minutes, 42 minutes if there's a payload, RTK of the speaker, and then so the specs for the cameras, the wide and the tele, are still the same. 20 megapixels for the wide at 3.3 micrometers pixel size, and then the 24 millimeter focal length, and then 12 megapixels for the tele, and then 162 millimeter focal length. So the range is also still the same, between 9 and 15 kilometers, depending on how strong is the signal or how low is interference.